Hey everyone, Chrissy here from Coupon Confidants. I wanted to do a video on a Publix Babies Best Deals Roundup that I did. I'm going to do my best to keep this updated weekly. And we have a baby book out right now from Publix, so I have those matchups in here also. So we'll go ahead and go through what we have. As you'll see at the top, I have what the dates are valid for those particular deals. So this is part of the Publix weekly deals that just started October 17th or October 18th through the 23rd or the 24th, depending on where you are. Check your sales cycle on Publix.com or with your local store if you are new and aren't sure. Majority of Florida starts on Thursdays. So the first deal up is Huggies Pull-Ups and Huggies Diapers. They have a promo going on, buy 3, get $9 off when you buy 3. And these are on 18 to 44 count, Pull-Ups 18 to 25 count, Good Nights 11 to 15 count, or Bed Mats 9 count. Now the Huggies Diapers 18 to 44 count, you don't necessarily have to get the Snug and Dry. Those are usually the least expensive in the stores. They also have the little snugglers, and they have the their sensitive brand. I forget what it is. Free, like all natural free. So you can get some of those too, and you will see some of those coupons when you click on these links. It should bring you to all of the Kimberly-Clark coupons that are available for these items. I have here buy 3 Snug and Dry. $9 will come off automatically, as these are normally priced at $8.99 each. So $8.99 times 3, $9 auto deducts, and you use $3 off of 1 coupons, and you'll pay $4.99 a pack. Same scenario goes for the pull-ups. They are regularly priced at $9.69. Buy 3 of them, get $9 auto deduct, and you'll be using the $2 off 1 coupons instead of $1 off 1 because we have 2 off 1 for pull-ups, and you'll pay $4.69 each. Here's another great deal on the very big count Pampers wipes. 112 count to 216 count. They have a sale price of $5.99. And this is a stacked deal. This is where you are going to stack the sale price with a manufacturer's coupon, and then you're going to stack a store coupon on top of that. That's what stacking is. So it's going to be $5.99 minus 50 cents with the manufacturer's printable, minus $2 off 1 with the Publix printable or baby book. And if you click here, a new page is going to open for you guys, and it brings you right to the coupon, which is right here. If you don't have the baby book, you can go ahead and print this right from Publix's website. So let's go back over to the deals. That'll make them $3.49 each, which is a great deal on the jumbo pack of wipes. Now we have a food deal for the babies. Sprout organic baby food pouches, stage 2 or 3 or toddler. They're on a sale of $1 each pouch. And we have buy 1 get 1 free printable coupons. And then we have $2 off of 5 printable coupons. What you'll want to do is buy 2 and use 1 coupon, and you'll get them for 50 cents each. Now you can use a couple of these coupons. You just have to figure in increments of 2. So if you want to buy 4 and use 2 of these coupons, you can do that as well. Well, it looks like I decided to put Sprout up twice because I loved it that much. Here is Once Upon a Farm baby pouch food. This is also organic, and this is in the refrigerated section in your store. They're on a sale price of $2 each, and we have a rare 50 cents off 1 printable coupon. So if you haven't tried these and you want to, now is a great time. They'll be $1.50 each after the printable coupon. We also have Pampers diapers, 52 to 112 count. That's another auto deduct. You buy 2 and you will get $7 off. So if you are more of a Pampers mommy or daddy, you'll want to go with these instead of the Huggies. And here are the coupons available listed below. Similac infant formula powder or Go and Grow toddler drinks is another auto deduct. Buy 3 and get $12 off. We have a $3 off 1 printable coupon for Pro Series value size. And then we have a $5 off 2 from that Publix baby book. Same thing as the Pampers wipes coupon I showed you. You click on this and that page will open for you to print that coupon. Now for the baby book deals. These have the same end date, so 23rd or 24th, depending on your sales cycles. If you go into your Florida zip code, 33009 or 33314, those are Florida zip codes. Those coupons are an end date of 10/24 because they're going with Florida's sales cycles. If you live somewhere else, you will put in your zip code of Carolinas or Georgia, and your coupons are most likely going to come up with an end date of 10/23 because these end on 10/23 for you guys. So I have Happy Baby food jars. The regular price is $1.25. We have the baby book printable or from the baby book. Same thing. Click on this. It'll bring you to the coupon. 2 off 6. So right away you see 6. You know you have to buy 6. The next coupon I have is a manufacturer's printable. Buy 2, get 1. So 2 and 1 is 3. Now you know you have to buy 6 with this coupon. This coupon is for 3. So that means you'll use 1 of these. And you'll use 2 of these. Buy 6, use 2, buy 2, get 1, use 1, 2 off 6, and you'll pay 50 cents each. And these are organic too. I should have wrote that word there because I am doing organic roundups as well for everybody. Plum organic cups are $1.79 regular price. And from that baby book we have $5 off when you buy 10. So you can buy 10 of them. $5 will come off when you use your baby book coupon or if you print it, and you'll pay 79 cents each. Johnson & Johnson's shampoo 2-in-1 is $3.79 regular price. And we have a $1 off 1 Johnson's products, printable coupon, manufacturers. And then we have a Publix baby book coupon or printable. Same thing. Now, if you go into your store, if you print both of these and you go into your store and you find the little wipes, not trial size or travel size, but I think it's a 20 or 30 count wipe. Anyway, check all of your Johnson & Johnson's products. And as long as you are following the guidelines of these coupons for the ounces or the counts, you'll be able to get another product for cheaper. I just chose to go ahead and list the shampoo. They also have that detangler spray, which I love. I use it on my own hair. I believe that is $4.29, between $3.79 and $4.29. $3.79 is also, they have that not the baby oil, but it's almost like a gel. That's $3.79 in the store. So just print them both out and check it out in your store, and you can get whatever you need for your family. This was a short list. I'm going to go back through all of the sales and stop in the store when I'm feeling up to it and see what I can add on. But like I said, I'll keep this updated for you guys, and I will see you on the next video. If you need anything, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.